In this video, I'll show you HST Dashboard, the easiest way for centers to visualize pre-built analytics powered by the most accurate ASC data. With this solution, you can get the insight you need without spending time manually creating reports or needing deep data expertise. I'll show you how you can quickly drill down into financial, operational, and scheduling metrics to help you make faster, more informed decisions. Let's dive in and take a look. HST Dashboard can be accessible via HST Home. Go to the waffle menu right here and click on Dashboards. Here, on the main screen, you'll see a clean, simple layout with several dashboards ready to go. No need to build anything, just click and explore key metrics like revenue, volume, insurance verifications, and more. It's point and click, super user-friendly, and perfect for proactive centers who need answers quickly. The first dashboard that is going to be available to you is our metric and KPI trend dashboard. This dashboard should allow you to look at trends over time, such as net revenue, gross revenue, and things of that nature. Here you'll find charts showcasing cases by payment or even payment by date of services. And you can see how things like net revenue fluctuate over time. You may ask, I don't see net revenue here. Well, very simply, I can go to the metric and switch from payment to net revenue in order to focus on that particular metric. Second dashboard here, the verification and authorization. Here, you'll see clear indicators that show if cases have been verified or pre-authorized. You can view this by date or by case. And it is super easy for you to double check that nothing is missed before a procedure, or also check if even after a procedure, something has been missed. And so here, let's help you reduce last-minute delays and improve also the patient experience. As an example here, I can see that in Q3 2025, which are basically upcoming appointment, 100% of my cases have not been verified. Then what I can do is I can click on this area of the graph, go to details, and see exactly what cases still need their insurance verified. And so here I have the account number, and so I can pull my scheduling tool in order to figure out who those patients are and make sure that I can provide the required information. Our next dashboard here is Accounts Receivables. And as the name indicates, this dashboard is going to be very helpful in helping you identify accounts that should be worked on. Here, as an example, we're going to take a look at all the accounts that have not been worked over 30 days. And so that will be under these columns right here. And so let's say I am part of a CBO, and here, for instance, I noticed that we have two accounts that amount with a total balance of basically $29,000. So that would be roughly $14,000 per case or per account. And these two accounts have not been worked for more than 30 days. I can then very quickly click over here, go to details, and once again, we want the dashboard to be actionable. And so here, with the information that is going to be provided to me, I should be able to pull these accounts from HST Practice Management and work them and update the notes. But here we have the information that we need in order to take action. Our fourth dashboard here is OR block time utilization. This dashboard shows block time usage by physician, and you can look at that information by here. This is by month, but you can look at it by week, by quarters, by year, by day, and so on and so forth. You can also scroll down to the table view here, where you can see how many minutes were blocked, how many were used, and ultimately what percentage of the block was actually utilized. This helps in quickly identifying underused time, either at the provider level or even at the OR level, right? And with that information, we believe that your ASC can become more efficient in terms of OR utilization and increase revenue and avoid scheduling headache. Last but not least, our claim denial dashboard. So you can see how many were denied. Here, our claim denial dashboard, I'm going to go use the preset functionality here to look at the data since the beginning of time, basically since our centers have been on HST. And so what I can see here is a clear view of my denied claim. I can see how many have been denied and broken down by reason for the denials. I can also change that to look at which payer perhaps tends to deny us more than others. And so here, I'm going to switch from denial description to payer name. And I can see here that Blue Cross of California here is the payer that denies us the most. I can also look at how much money is tied to those denials. And so for that, I am going to scroll down to the second component here. And again, this is broken down by payer, and I can see the bill amount as well. So with this kind of insight, it is definitely easier to fix issues faster, recover lost revenue, and improve your clean claim rate over time. That's a quick look at how HST dashboards work. If you're ready to simplify your data and obtain actionable insight, HST dashboard has you covered.